Enabling two-factor authentication on Google Photos adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once signed in, click on the Security tab located in the left-hand menu to access your account's security options. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and look for two-step verification. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click on the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as a text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup and confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled. Now your Google Photos account is more secure with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your verification method accessible to ensure smooth access to your account.